Alright, this is problem number 2 from the homework for tonight, August 30th. Trayvon asked about this in class, and Tasha offered a really good piece of advice. She asked, can't you just take this right here and substitute it down in the bottom? And the answer is, of course, yes. But what that would leave you is a really long equation with x's and y's. And we don't really have that anywhere else. We don't have an equation that also has x's and y's, so we're not going to do that. Instead, what I'm going to do is take this whole thing and replace it up here. That'll give me an equation with z's and x's, which is what this is. So here we go. I'm rewriting the top equation, and instead of putting in y, I'm putting in what y is actually equal to in the bottom. Simplify. Simplify again. Alright, so that is what z is equal to. Next, let's get it in the right order first. Let's see if we can kind of, well, we have to combine this, right? So let's get everything in the right order. So I'm going to move the 12x over. I'm going to move the negative 24z over. And I'm going to keep the negative 146 where it is. Alright, so now the next one we want to focus on is right here. Let's rewrite that one below. This is definitely a tricky problem because there are a lot of different things you could do, only really one of which will give you two equations with the same letters. And that's what you want to do. You want to find equations with the same letters. Alright, so we need to use, we can use substitution now if you wanted to. Let's do that. Let's use substitution right down here. Let's get the x by itself. So we're going to go x is equal to 5z plus 2, and we'll take that and replace it right up there. So here we go. We're going to rewrite 12 times x plus 25z is equal to negative 146. Solve for z. Take a few steps here. Let's see. 85 z plus 24 negative 170, I believe, and that's 2, negative 2. Alright, the old trick we used before, when you have z, see if you can plug it in anywhere. That'll also give you another answer. X is equal to 5 times negative 2 plus 2. Negative 8. And finally, we need the y answer. So we need to go back up. Right here would be a really good place, because it already says y equals. So let's rewrite that and replace the x with our answer. So y is equal to 2 times negative 8 plus 4 times negative 2 plus 18. Y is equal to negative 16 minus 8 plus 18. Y is equal to negative 24 plus 18, or negative 6. So we've got a final answer here. Negative 8, comma, negative 6, comma, negative 2, x, comma, y, comma, z. I think that's one of the trickier ones, but hopefully that helped.